Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix FiveM not opening or launching on your Windows. If you're experiencing issues with FiveM not opening or launching, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. 1. Adjust graphics settings. Go to the Windows search bar and type FiveM. Right-click on the FiveM application and select Open File Location. Right-click on the FiveM shortcut in the file location and select Open File Location again. And copy the path from the address bar. In the Windows search bar, type Graphics Settings and open it. Click Browse and paste the copied file path, and select the FiveM executable file. Click Options, then choose High Performance and disable Optimization for windowed games, and save the settings and check if the problem persists. 2. Run FiveM as an administrator. Right-click on the FiveM shortcut again and select Open File Location. Right-click on the FiveM executable file and select Properties, or you can just do it from the desktop. Just right-click on the FiveM shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and then check the boxes for Run this program as administrator and disable Full Screen Optimization. Click Apply and OK and check if FiveM opens successfully. If not, 3. Update your operating system. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for updates. If updates are available, download and install them, then restart your computer. 4. Configure Windows Defender Firewall. Go to Settings, Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Firewall, and then click on Change Settings, then Allow another app. Browse to the FiveM executable file and add it there. Finally, clear FiveM cache files. Go to the FiveM application folder and open the FiveM application data folder. Then delete the contents of the caches folder. Go to the data folder and delete the cache, server cache, and server cache prev files. And ensure before deleting cache files, make sure it's fully closed. Otherwise, the files may not be deletable.